The market is at a crossroads, and where it goes next has big implications across asset classes. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete Forex market briefing for June 30th. Currency markets are being driven by a complex mix of central bank policy, geopolitical risk, and shifting growth expectations. Let us break it all down. Here is a snapshot of how the major currency pairs are trading today. Euro to US dollar is trading at 1.14, gaining 0.13% on the session. The world's most traded pair is driven by ECB versus Fed rate differentials. The move in the dollar reflects reports that gold slides as Fed stance, strong dollar outweigh safe haven demand MSN. Pound sterling to US dollar is trading at 1.32, gaining 0.3% on the session. Sterling is highly sensitive to UK inflation data and Bank of England rate guidance. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. US dollar to Japanese yen is trading at 162.30, gaining 0.32% on the session. Dollar yen tracks the US-Japan rate differential and Bank of Japan intervention risk. Equity markets are responding to reports that gold slides as Fed stance, strong dollar outweigh safe haven demand MSN. USD SGD is trading at 0.7725, gaining 0% on the session. The Singapore dollar reflects Asian FX sentiment, trade flows, and MAS monetary policy. The move in the dollar reflects reports that gold slides as Fed stance, strong dollar outweigh safe haven demand MSN. Australian dollar to US dollar is trading at 0.6887, losing 0.13% on the session. The Aussie dollar closely tracks commodity prices, especially iron ore, and Chinese growth signals. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. US dollar to Chinese yuan is trading at 0.1476, gaining 0.37% on the session. The onshore yuan reflects PBOC daily fixings, US-China trade dynamics, and capital flow controls. Equity markets are responding to reports that gold slides as Fed stance, strong dollar outweigh safe haven demand MSN. US dollar to Indian rupee is trading at 94.65, gaining 0.31% on the session. The Indian rupee tracks RBI monetary policy, FII and FPI capital flows, and US-India interest rate differentials. The move in the dollar reflects reports that gold slides as Fed stance, strong dollar outweigh safe haven demand MSN. Now let us look at the macro forces behind today's currency moves. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that Palantir joins software stock rally amid semiconductor, tech sell-off investors' business daily. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that stocks rise before Micron's earnings as oil slides, markets wrap. The move in the dollar reflects reports that gold slides as Fed stance, strong dollar outweigh safe haven demand MSN. Our near-term view on US dollar to Chinese yuan. With US dollar to Chinese yuan moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $0.1513 level above and $0.1439 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Currency markets can move fast and unexpectedly. Central bank surprises, geopolitical shocks, and data prints are the key risks to monitor. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Thousands of investors rely on our daily briefings to cut through the noise. If you are finding value here, please like this video and subscribe. It directly helps us keep producing this content every day. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the sharpest takes in future videos. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your Forex briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily currency coverage.